Well, tonight we're following up on a story of a Colorado woman who spent years living in fear because of a stalker. Well, now she's helping change the way survivors are treated in court.
She's behind a new state law designed to protect victims from being re-traumatized while testifying. Our Colette Bordelon shares her story.
So this one I printed out.
Pictures from Coles Whalen's past
I've been performing since I was very small.
show just how young she was when she first found her voice.
I look at this photo and I just think, look at how confident and unafraid that girl was then.
But she can see the story behind the photograph.
By this time, the stalking was in full swing. He was messaging me hundreds of messages a day by this point. He was sending me thousands and thousands of messages. One investigator on the case estimated that he sent me about 1 million messages over the 6 years.
Whalen took the case to court in 2017, testifying against her stalker, where she says he was convicted to 4.5 years in prison.
As a victim survivor, you're up there on the stand. You're less than 4 feet away from the person who harmed you, and you're having to describe all of these very intimate details. I was not prepared for what would happen next.
In 2023, the U.S. Supreme Court decided to re-examine the case.
They ruled that the messages that he had sent to me over those years of my life, as threatening as they were actually protected free speech.
Because of the stalking, she had left the state she loved and felt as though her voice was silenced. Her only option was taking the case to court again in Colorado.
I could not go back to trial. After everything I had been through, the one thing that I could not do was testify in person in front of the stalker again. It was an impossible choice. There's no other way to describe it. After I decided not to testify, I thought to myself, why do we have to testify in person? Honestly, why do we?
Her experience brought her to the Colorado State Capitol, testifying this time before lawmakers.
As frightening as the messages were, my experience in the courtroom was worse.
She did an amazing job, and I think it helped seal the deal for getting support from that committee.
State Senator Mike Weissman sponsored Senate Bill 95, which was signed into law this year and makes a number of changes, including allowing survivors of certain crimes to testify virtually in court.
We've all been doing Zoom. We know how that goes. This is just bringing it to the criminal legal process to protect survivors from being re-traumatized.
He says survivors were the foundation for this legislation.
The work of making sure our law does right by survivors of crimes is never done.
Whalen believes this law would have changed her life.
I think if I had had the option to testify remotely, I would have gone back to trial.
The girl she was.
I cannot believe how far that I have come since this photo.
Would be proud of the woman she is.
It is a really incredible feeling knowing that my voice was silenced by this crime that happened to me, and it's now coming back.
Finding herself again along the way. With photojournalist Maggie Wilansky, Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.